Yo, what's up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for FedEx. So FedEx is a company which ships stuff from international, like it can ship stuff from America to Nepal or Nepal to America. It's basically like a delivery service. Alright, so that's the small definition of FedEx. If you want to know more about it, you can visit their website as well. So today's video is on how you guys can sign up for FedEx. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys that. But before I teach you guys, first thing, go to your search engine. I'm using Google Chrome. After you come to your search engine, search for FedEx, sign up. Once you search for FedEx sign up, click on where it says create an account FedEx. Once you come to this website over here, click on sign up or login and click on create account. Once you click on that, you're going to come to this page. You can scroll down and click. As you guys can see, you have three options: user ID, receive an online profile to create one piece, shipping track, previous shipment, store contact information, and more. Open a free account, link to your credit card to receive discount on shipping, on address, and easy payment using your store profile setting. Best for business of all sizes. This free account offers shipping discount, lets you earn reward and receive 10% of FedEx office print and copy service. So if you have a business and you ship, stuff on day-to-day basis, you can choose this. If you just ship like stuff once, like 3 or 4 times a year, you can click on personal, and this is for your user ID. So we're going to click on open personal account. Once you click on open personal account, it's going to take you to its sign up page. Now over here, enter your first name, your last name, your company name is optional, you can enter or not, and your address. And after filling up this form, your first name, your last name, your company name, your address name, your API suite, it's optional. After that, your country name, your postal code, your city, and your phone number and your email. After entering all that, you can scroll down and click on enter login detail. And after that, just one more step away, your user ID, your password, and your confirm password to confirm the password. So let me enter my user ID real quick. And remember this user ID and password because you need it to log into your account. After entering your user ID and password for yourself, tick mark this 2 thing. After ticking this 2 thing, click on create your user ID. And boom, your account has been created.